In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset Samsung TV. So if you have a Samsung Smart TV and you want to restore the TV to the default settings, here is all you need to do. Mark you, before you choose to reset your Samsung Smart TV, you need to know that resetting your Samsung Smart TV will erase all your personal settings and will remove all the applications you have installed on the Smart TV. It will remove all the settings you have. It will remove all your maybe Netflix app if it is not pre-installed. It will remove all applications you've downloaded and installed on that Samsung Smart TV itself. It also affects your settings configuration like the picture settings on your Samsung Smart TV or the sound or whatever you must have done on your Samsung Smart TV. Resetting your Samsung Smart TV is not a recommended move, but if you have no any other option than to reset your Samsung Smart TV, this video is definitely going to help you out, and these are the steps that you need to take. The first thing you want to take note when you want to reset your Samsung Smart TV is you must know your Samsung Smart TV pin. So it is with your Samsung Smart TV pin that you'll be able to reset your Samsung Smart TV. In most cases, the default pin is 4 zeros, which allows you to factory reset your TV or remove anything when there is a need for pin. However, if you have changed the Samsung Smart TV pin to your personalized pin, you need to provide this pin at the point where you want to factory reset this TV. So if this is understood, now let me quickly show you how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV to the default settings. Now what I'm going to do is I will assume you are on the home screen and you don't know how to navigate your way around resetting your TV to the default. So from this screen, you want to press the source menu button on your Smart TV. Once that is selected, navigate to the bottom left and make sure you click on settings. So once you selected settings, go to general. Then under general, scroll down until you see reset and press the enter button on your remote. As you can see, all the settings return to factory default. So press the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you'll be prompted to type in your pin. So the default pin here is 40. So you need to type in the pin using your remote control. So just type in the pin on your remote, and if the pin is correct, your Samsung Smart TV will be reset back to the default, and during this process your Samsung Smart TV will restart a couple of times, in which after everything is done you'll be prompted to set up your Samsung Smart TV afresh. So guys, if this is helpful on how to reset your Samsung Smart TV to the default settings, you want to give us a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.